You got a little bit more run-up time. It doesn't change anything though because we do the classes by how you qualify. So we run all to a 40 miles per hour start. You're going to go wide open throttle at those speed courses. Completely fine. You'll usually be doing it normal right now. Otherwise, you're going to run qualifying first classes.
Done to the car?
So it's got an LSX 427, strict flow heads, it's got custom turbo manifolds, 67, 66 billet turbos, twins.
Twin turbo?
Yes, sir. Pro EFI, engine management.
Okay.
Monster triple disc, still stick shift R, the TR6060.
So it's still got a stick shift. You run a stick shift class?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what have you ran it before?
Really just kind of had it as a fun play car. So,
car?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's mainly a street car?
Yeah, it is a total street car. So we'll see how it plays out.
Where are you from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right down the street.
I'm from Mumford.
Okay.
So
awesome.
So what else have you done to it? Just the motor side?
Yeah, I mean, it's
suspension or anything?
yeah, it's got all Dan American coilovers on it, RPM diff, drive shaft shop axles, drive shaft shop carbon drive shaft, 15-inch rear conversion.
Is it still a tube car? The drive shaft still under the tube?
Yeah.
Yeah. So no conversion of it bringing up to the front?
Not at all.
Any plans of it?
Nope. Not at all. Yeah, yeah. It had a power glide in it originally, and it just wasn't as fun as a street car. So I actually just kind of went back. I don't get a bunch of time to come to the track anymore. So
How
I was
was
like,
the conversion trying to bring it back from?
wasn't that bad.
Automatic?
I mean, it was pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was originally a stick car and then it was automatic going back to a stick car. Okay.
So it went, when it was a power glide car, it went low 8s in the quarter, but
yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's actually really good.
yeah.
What's it run now with the sticks?
We'll find out this weekend.
Really? It's
Yeah.
the first time you're trying it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes. We're gonna do the roll race today and then stick shift tomorrow. So
Nice.
see if we can't turn it up a little bit.
Yeah, I had my car and ended up clutching it up, dropping out of it.
What kind of car?
CTSV.
Oh.
Beautiful. Yeah. I didn't work out too well, so I ended up coming out here. I was like, I'm just gonna spec it.
Yeah.
See
Best
how
way to
it
do it. Yeah. Of course.
So, it's a beautiful car, man.
Thank you. Yeah. Appreciate it.
What up, the man, the myth, the legend? $7.95. No one gonna beat you now.
Yeah, we're top dog.
I know.
back around, got an arm set back in stage lane. That's what I like about this roll racing.
Is it?
We're gonna make another one, see if we can't get a real time.
Oh,
So
okay.
we'll see.
Okay.
Generally,
So I can see you and see how you doing. You're gonna make a second run, actually get a legit time this time. Last time, we got a 795 mile per hour top speed, but we're gonna see what his real time is.
all right, this is a little bit of a...
Single or twin? Single or twin? I think it's a buy run, yeah.
2006 Corvette, our final car in this class. Got the buy run going around the easy way. I always like to race buy run. Swap Civic in the right lane, yeah. We got Thomas Swift to the right. Next pair.
I can roll up, you said it.
First or worst happened right there. Left lane roll through the beam, red lit. So drag racing, the first or worst foul. Turns on the wind light. And the left lane rolled through the beams. He was staged up, went red. The right lane went red also, but he was second to go red. So again, first or worst. Heavyweight to lane 2. Heavyweight to lane 2.
So here we go. The final round for the stick shift.
Here we go, our stick shift final. Stick shift final coming to the
You're killing me.
starting line.
The final countdown.
Here we go, stick shift final. We had one break, we went down to 3, so we're just going to bring it back around, send the final. And here is a pair of Corvette. Your number 1 qualifying on the left side, 895. It done that? Oh look! 981 down there on the left lane.
So close, what happened, man?
Just laying over on boost.
Laying over?
Top end, yeah, I don't know what's going on. We've made progress all week.
Yeah, it looked good.
If we would have had the back end of the track from yesterday, the bottom end today, like today, and just mix them together, it would have been really good. We've been traveling about 165 probably, but laying over.
Yeah.
What's up with it?
It's doing good though.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep, too easy, man.
Yeah, what was the name of the page again?
So